Hello, and welcome to YIPA. We're so excited to have you on board with us, and on behalf of everyone at the Youth Intervention Programs Association, we're so thankful for the work that you do. Today, I'll be showing you how to register for our exceptional online trainings. So, let's go ahead and get started. The very first step is to head to our website, yipa.org, which I've already navigated to here, and we're currently on the home page. Once here, you can see all that's available by hovering over the Trainings tab and clicking on Live Online and On-Demand Trainings. Here you can see our upcoming live online trainings where you can ask the trainer questions in real time and meet other youth workers attending the session. We also have our on-demand library, which is full of recorded online trainings that you can register for and complete at whatever time works best for you. And we have quite a selection that I suggest you explore. And you can check back here at any time to see what's upcoming and what's already available. You can click on any of these training titles to register, so I'll walk you through how to sign up for one of them. As an example, I'll choose this on-demand training, Help All Youth Heal, A Journey Through Restorative Practices. So this is what all of our training pages look like. We make them consistent so that it's easy for you to get the information you need right away and go. We have the title and the details for the training. There's a Register Now button if you're ready to go ahead and sign up for this training, and there's also an Ask a Question button if you'd like to get in contact with us about it. We have a course description which outlines the background and purpose of the training along with learning objectives that really drill down into the big takeaways so you can be focused on those before the training even begins. Then we'll tell you a bit about your trainer, along with which of our 8 focus areas this particular training fits into. Lastly, we outline the training details again and provide another set of Register Now and Ask a Question buttons. So once you're ready to register, you can click the Register Now button. Once here, you'll need to enter all your information, and everything with a red asterisk is required. After you've filled out all your information, you'll come down here and tell us how you heard about YIPA, and in this case, you're a YIPA member, and you can select the type of youth intervention that best describes your work. And then you'll check these last boxes and make sure you agree to our online terms and conditions and data privacy policy. And you also have an opportunity to sign up for our e-newsletters. And then you'll verify that you're checking out as a YIPA member. And you're done. You'll get a registration confirmation email right away that has all you need to access the training. If you don't see it, please do check your junk, spam, or promotion folders. We hear that can happen often. You can reach out to us if you're having trouble, and we are happy to help as well. And that's how you register for our exceptional trainings. We're looking forward to seeing you again soon, and thanks for being part of the YIPA team.